Hello, my name is Jason Lindenmuth with Geoprobe and Drillmax Service, and today I'm going to demonstrate adjusting the swivel packing on a DM450 top head. As this packing wears, it will begin to leak and will need to be tightened up. Today we'll be doing this demonstration on a stand, but you can easily do it on your rig as well. To do this procedure, you're going to need a lifting device, a screwdriver, a long-handled 3/8 drive ratchet with a 16mm socket and a 13mm socket, and then a 15/16 socket and wrench. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our lifting device, we're going to put it on our water pipe so that we can take some of the load off and make it easier to adjust the packing. Today I'm using a jib crane to do this, but you can easily use the winch on your rig. Second, we're going to take our 15/16 socket and ratchet and wrench, and we're going to loosen the clamp on the mud pipe. Once you have that loose, next we'll come over and we will loosen the bolts at this joint here. To do this, we'll use our 16mm socket and ratchet. I would loosen these quite a ways, but I would not remove them. Next, we'll use our overhead and we'll take some of the weight off of this. Once this is supported, the next thing we'll do is we'll take off our locking device here. For this, you will use a 13mm socket. Once you've got that removed, you can take your socket off of your ratchet, preferably with a long handle, 3/8 drive ratchet, and it will fit right in these slots. You can use them to adjust the packing. To do this, you just put it in there and just tighten it up. You'll line up your next one with where your tab's going to be on your locking device, and then simply go back together the way you came apart. It's important not to over tighten your packing when you're adjusting so that you do not cause excessive wear. And once you tighten to the point where you get to the bottom, it'll be time to replace the packing. For this, go to drillmaxrigs.com for the video on replacing swivel packing on the DM450. Once you've got your locking tab in place, it's time to tighten up your flange bolts and your pipe clamp. First, we'll need to let our pipe down a little bit so our joint comes back together. And then we tighten up the bolts with our 16mm socket. Once you've got these tight, go ahead and tighten up your pipe clamp. At this point, the last thing to do is to remove your strap. If you have any questions on this procedure or any other procedure on a Drillmax rig, contact Geoprobe Drillmax Service.